Over 35,000 prisoners are HIV positive. Most meant to be an ART are currently receiving it.
We are having 15,000 on ART. Now what happens is an offender gets tested, and once he is positive, then there's a determination of at what time should he get a treatment.
The Johannesburg Central Prison is one of the biggest correctional services in the country. 1,500 inmates are HIV positive. About 8,000 inmates are housed here at the Johannesburg Correctional Centre. 700 of them are on ARV treatment. They use a single clinic inside the facility to get their medication. The centre believes it's making stride in TB infection control and treatment of the disease.
They have facilities for testing on site of TB cases. And they are able to get results within 2 hours.
Stigma, though, still remains a challenge. Eastern Cape government officials visited hospices and ARV distributing healthcare centres, spreading a message of hope.
If we can stop stigma and discrimination, singai win the fight.
In the northwest, voluntary testing, but some say the provision of medication is erratic.
People are defaulting, but we are managing to trace them and put them back in treatment.
But there's also some success stories. In KwaZulu-Natal, mother-to-child transmission is down from 19% in 2007 to below 2% currently. Nearly 900,000 people are now on ART.
It's time that we stop people against blaming government for their irresponsible ways of behavior. There is no government who is in the bedroom when a person decides that he's just going to go and sleep around. There is no government who is in your house when you as a parent do not know where are your children at night.
A call that officials hope will not fall on deaf ears. Manqoba Mchunu, SABC News.
Well, with it being such an important day around the world, it certainly had its fair share of tweets on Twitter, and some of you have been sharing your thoughts with us. Let's read a couple from various organizations and individuals that have been tweeting. The WHO says that there is a real chance to come to close to zero new HIV infections and 0 deaths by 2030. UN AIDS says to end the AIDS epidemic by 2030, we have a fragile 5-year window to get on track. Amref Health Africa says HIV is a leading cause of death among women of reproductive age in sub-Saharan Africa. And advocate Tulima Donsela says that today on World AIDS Day, let's remember that we all have the power and responsibility to end the spread and stigma of HIV. #count me in. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts with us. And don't forget, if you want to tweet, at SABC News Online is our Twitter handle.